as white men get to rhythm.
Now we have noted dance critic Joel Zavala here. Now give us the call on this one here, Joel.
Well, Scoop, I'll tell you. You know, it's just the other day I was saying, damn these wacky little fads. And the newest fad being line dancing.
Ooh.
What is it? Homophobia in its utmost state? I don't know. You be the judge.
Scary. How about your other concept of line slam dancing? I hear you're the foremost.
So my new idea, to develop in full concept, line pogo. Then we advance. Line slam.
Boy, I'll be able to show this
It's
to the
a
kids
hell of an
and
idea.
This is
I think
scarier
it's
than a
gonna
Freddy
catch
Krueger
on.
movie here.
Follow me, children. We will conquer. Can you dig it?